Hey guys, it's Kai with Kai Dragon Garden and Cooking, and today we're going to do one of our unorthodox style methods of gardening, which is just using our hands. Yeah, we don't need a tool or anything for this. This is probably the easiest to do, but you don't have no measurements unless you get out a tape measure, things like that. But what we're doing here is this is lettuce. What else did you put in here?
Lettuce.
Just lettuce? Huh.
It was tomatoes and everything we pulled.
Okay, so she put lettuce in here last fall and it never sprouted, did anything. Well, come March, it sprouted, but we have a lot of gaps here. And this used to be our carrot bed. So if anybody remembers the carrot video that me and Mom did last year, this is the same bed. So we recycle the beds, that's what we do. And these came up, so we're just watering them and I'm going to utilize them. But we have all this open space here. This is prime real estate. It's a great time still to garden. So what I did is took my hand, draw a little bit of holes, and we've got spinach seeds here. We're going to just do the old-fashioned trick. So let me show you how big the spinach seeds are. They're a little bit bigger than a lot of your other seeds. Lettuce is probably one of the tiniest ones you'll have that could just be caught by the wind and blown away. These are a lot heavier, so we're gonna go ahead and just throw them in the ground here. And these are some old seeds, so I don't know how well they'll do, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, and if the spacing's bad we can always pull them real fast and move them. We're just covering up with dirt. And we're just going to go on this side and do the same thing. That way we can accelerate the process. Now a lot of people, this is the way a lot of folks like to garden. They just do this and drop your seeds in. It's the only big thing that you have by doing this is it's a quicker method. It may not be as organized, and as we have learned from experience, it's very easy to lose what you put in the ground doing it this way. But since we already know what's here, this isn't too bad. And my family loves spinach. There's so many different kinds of spinach, and later we'll show you how to do Malabar spinach, which grows on a pole and has a whole different flavor than your traditional spinaches. And we just cover this up, throw a little bit of water on it, and that's it. That is your quick, down, and dirty method to grow spinach, lettuce, whatever you want, really. You just gotta guess your depth, unless you know how much depth you have with each of your fingers. You can just cut across and go. Just make rows. It's easiest. I personally prefer either the wheel, a stick, or even our gardening square that we've done, just because you get perfect squares each time and maximize your space. In this case, as previously mentioned, we're just maximizing the use of this space because we don't know what's going to come up still. So it's kind of, okay, let's throw some more stuff in, see what happens, because lettuce and romaine, well, all your romaines, your butter crunch, typically all those and your spinaches can be harmonious in here together. And then once they come up, you can also put in radishes and I believe beets and a few other carrots because they're root based. I wouldn't put onions with them because that'll ruin the taste of them. As talked about in a previous video, if you use onions with certain plants, you do get that kind of pungent taste to it. You don't want that. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and catch you later.